All right, y'all, we got an empty space here in the pool house, and my clients want this, a floating bench. So let's get at it, man. We're gonna start it off with some 3/4 inch clear maple. We're gonna get it Norm Abrams style. We're gonna get them in the pipe clamps, glue them up, and make our own panel, son. Yep. Once we get them in the clamps, we're gonna squeeze it tight, let the glue ooze out of there, wipe it down, let them dry overnight, about 24 hours. We're going to pull them out of the clamps, then hit them with some sandpaper. Started with some 100, finished with some 220. Then we're going to start on the framework. For the framework, I just used some 2x4s, ripped them down to 2.5 inches thick, screwed them to all of the studs, and then I actually put some framing in behind the shiplap. That way I had a nice and secure heavy-duty attach point. Got my framework done, wanted to do a load test, so I got my big ass up there. Now here's an awesome tool. It's the Stair Wizard. I use this to put in treads on stair stringers, but it comes in clutch for this application right here. Instead of making a pattern, having cut it 2 or 3 times to get an exact cut, you set it once, and then you take it over to your top, scribe it, and we're ready to go, man. I did take the flapper wheel, do a little back bevel on the back side where it butts against the wall. That way I could get a nice, tight, and cleaner fit. But man, look at that. Little tap-tap-a-roo. You've heard me say before. Heck yeah, fits like a glove. Got it, coach. I want this bench to look like a big chunky piece of wood, so I beveled one side and then I cut a dado on the bottom to accept a 1/4 inch piece of birch plywood that I'm going to install underneath the bench. Yes, sir. We're not going to leave it just raw. Heck no, we're going to finish it off, man. Glue that miter up, hit it with a few pin nails, grab the 400 and just slightly, ever so slightly, round over that edge. Then I'll go ahead and give you a little peek underneath the bench because we don't want to leave no raw framing showing up. We want to finish it off nice. Look at that. We are at the final stage of this project, which is the finish. The clients didn't want it stained, so I chose a polyacrylic clear in satin. Give it a coat, let it dry. Hit it lightly again with the 400, and then another coat of clear. There it is, one beautiful floating bench. Thanks for watching.